discuss what that cracking or popping noise is during a chiropractic adjustment. Let's first start out with the joint, the spinal joint. You have two vertebrae that are spaced with a disc, and that disc has a lot of fluid in it and it separates the vertebra. So you never have bone on bone when you hear that cracking or popping noise or during an adjustment. But you also have a joint capsule, and in that joint capsule there's fluid and gas. And what happens during a chiropractic adjustment, that joint capsule is taken to the end range of motion, and then with a quick impulse it's cavitated, and the gas, carbon dioxide, bounces off the fluid and makes that noise, similar to cracking your knuckles or even a can of soda. When you crack it open, the gas bounces off the soda, the fluid, and makes that noise. So during a chiropractic adjustment, not only can you alleviate pressure off chafed or irritated nerves, but you're also increasing the range of motion in that joint capsule itself. So it has a lot of beneficial effects. If you have any questions or comments about the chiropractic adjustment or the cracking or the popping, feel free to comment below. I hope you like these videos, and I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks, and have a great day.